show when we come in. Yeah, so Florian's waterproof it. Do the shower. Yeah, so waterproof the shower. Yeah, so we put on the ledge because the shower bottom and the tile of the floor. We come in the shower. So as you can see, I'm punch it over. So punch it over, mix some things that you know before we start. Yeah. So let's start out of the bathroom and get the ball rolling. Then we're going to people. Yeah, so
Alright, ready. As I say, people like, share and subscribe everything. You see it, and that's how it goes on. With all the tiling work, good, you know? So you can call them anytime you're ready for some tiling, alright? Big up yourself, so loyal subscribers, friends and family. Alright, so cool.
So right now we'll start with some tile. Yeah, so I'm going to catch out the bottom road first, you know? That's the hardest part of the work. Yeah, so we are cutting and fit at the same time. Yeah, a small bathroom still, but you know. Take time to go on with it. So all the way up to ceiling, as you can see the top. Put some tile at the same time. Yeah, as I say, we are put on the fitting. So we have put the line now.
Back again, alright? So when you're dropping the thing in there now. As I say, I want a small bathroom, quick time. We match it up and then go home, you know, after the Saturday. Alright, so we waterproof everything, corners, everything, and then waterproof the floor, cast the flooring, and everything. So back to basic again, as I say, like, share, and subscribe to the thing. Alright, loyal viewers and subscribers. Whenever you want anything tiling done like this, professional tiling work like this, no book to, no book joint or nothing, you know. You understand? So, the real thing. When we're done, we must satisfy you, the customer, and the friends. So when I say, because it doesn't make sense you go do the tiling and then when you have start to go out now, you have a book to and anything like that. When a person use the bathroom, if you hand even sketch on the tile, then you know it's scrape. No man, you must flush right and deal with proper. Understand? Alright, so back again. The things that will finish them also. So mix up some more so we catch up on the next level. Alright.
Yes, so as you can see, we take time to go on with people, step on target, you know. Wow, take time to go up, you know, so I have to send me there halfway night right now. So what I have left. Yes, so remember to like, share and subscribe my people. You know, if you're not subscribed to the channel as it, you know, just do the right thing, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Yeah, that's if you can get the video when I'm upload. Yeah. Like and share. You know, share the video with your friend and family. You know, tell them to share it with them friend and them family as well. Yeah. That helps the channel to grow, you know. Some of that, just take time and go on with it. You know, try to see if we can finish up. Yeah. Soon done still. Well, just done clean up, drop in the shower bottom. You know, go out of the place. Yeah. The place looking nice and sweet. So as we say, it's a small bathroom. This was just like a powder room, you know. I converted it into a shower, you know. So the toilet and the face base are going so. Kind of look small, my people, but it's going to work out. You know, different type of toilet. Yeah, so this is how the toilet look like. Yeah, so these are the whole settings between the face basin and the toilet. Yeah. So the toilet basically I go. Yeah, so I go kind of cover the toilet, so you know. The pipe where you see come up, I go right inside here, so the back of the toilet I go respond right there, so. Yeah, it's just a small, but you know, but turn out really nice. Yeah. Yes, the bathroom almost done now. We'll have the top water put on, you know. Yeah, drop in and 2 pieces, put on the top water. Once you make something set. Yeah. So we'll have the things that come in now. I'm going to drop on the top road. After I drop on the top road now. You know, so I'm going to have the shower bottom left. So, yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. Yeah, so things that come in. Yeah, so I'm going to just drop out and cut the tile up by the top there now. And then we just deal with the shower bottom. Then bathroom done. So this is the short floor where I cut out. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, so right now, once I'm going to cut them out. Finally done. Yeah, tire dropping. Yeah, some more thing left to do with it now. Yeah, to show some growth on it. So, you know, say tomorrow we will do that. So once we drop in the shower floor, you know. as I said once I put them out. So now I'm gonna go drop in the shower floor right now. Yeah. So that's it for the people. Yeah, as I said, the wall done. So floor shower floor start dropping. Yeah, so that's the kind of some people. So the shower floor drop in and out. So basically everything finish up. So as I say, just some grout left to drop on the floor. Yes, the bathroom nice and sweet, you know. So we're going right up the ceiling. Yeah, right up the ceiling. So as you can see the tile, nice on the wall. Sit down. Yeah. So as I said, the only thing left now is to just draw some grout on the wall and the floor. And we're good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna show up for nice and sweet. Yeah. So now upstairs, this is up on the third floor. So now when we do them, we put all the fall from them too. Water running a drain. Yeah, we're not tie shower floor for water second. Yeah, so as I said, basically finish. Just little grouting, nice and sweet. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna everything nice and now. So just this tilet on the face base and drop in right now. Yeah, go on and look on the tilet. So these are the complete settings between the face base and the tilet. So as I said, the pipe will come up through here, so yeah. So this is how the tile look like. There's an English made toilet. So yeah. So alright now people. Yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section so we'll get the place a little clean up here now. Yeah, try to get out of the people in place and also. You don't know where come people. Yeah, myself all the while. Enough respect to all of the supporters them.